guys, so welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and swatches of the new Desi x Katy times Dose of Colors collection. I got the palette. So beautiful. I already had Fuego. I did not get the other one because the other highlight was too dark for my skin tone, even though I really wanted it. I got 3 of the lip colors, and so in this video I'm going to be showing you my review and my swatches. And I actually started a different channel so that I can put my beauty stuff on that channel and not bombard you guys on a channel that says Ravi and Snigdha if it's only going to be me. So if you want the tutorial for this eye makeup look, click the link in bio and it'll take you over to the tutorial for this. And here you'll find how I feel about the palette, how I feel about the collection, and over there you'll find how I came up with this look. So that's where I'm going to be posting most of my tutorials from now on, and this will be like maybe if we do a video together or if we have a big review to do. And I didn't want to put them all in one video because then it tends to be so long, so I ended up splitting it up so that one channel gets this and the other channel gets that. So I already have a video of me meeting Desi. I love her. She was so sweet. Me and my sister, we actually gave her a scrapbook and she loved it. She put on her snaps and her Instagram story. It was so cute. We took all her pictures from her Instagram of this year and then just put it together into a cute little scrapbook. I loved how it came out. And then we gave it to her and she loved it. So if you want to see that vlog of me meeting Desi and Steven, it's on my personal channel now. So you can click that and find that. I love Desi and Katy. I love their first collection. I have a video from their first collection. This one I was even more excited about because it's a bigger palette. Like, look at all these colors, and I'm a sucker for blue eyeshadows, so that color like really got to me, and of course I had to use it on my lid. So let's continue with the swatches of everything, and then I will do an overall review. I'll include a clip from my makeup tutorial just sped up, and that way you can see how it applied on my lids, and I did make comments along the way so you can see that as well. And then in the end we'll do like a full review. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and my new one so that you can keep up with both, and if you're interested in my new stuff, go over there and check it out. Thanks. So for the palette, I really loved this. The only thing I like, so the purpose of this is supposed to be a vacation palette so that you take only this and it has all your neutrals and all your shimmers. I have so many neutral palettes that I really didn't care for the neutral ones, but they're really good. Like, they applied really nicely on my lid, and I guess it's really good to have them all in one palette. And then if you wanted a pop of color, you have them. So far so good. The mattes blend out really nicely. I was able to do this easy cut crease so far because the mattes work so well and they blend out so well together. So now I'm going to go into the shimmers. The only thing I didn't like about the shimmers is that you can't really use it with the brush. So again, like their old collection, it's better used with the finger. I even tried wetting the brush, but like the glitters that are in this didn't show up as well. So when I swatch it, you can see like that wet look, but then when I put it on my lid, you kind of lose that effect when you use a brush. So I tried to use my fingers as best as I can, but like you can see like the glitter is kind of gone. So with the brush, really didn't get anything, but I swatched it with my fingers, so I know it's capable. There, it's getting there. So I'm going to go ahead and with my finger, I'm going to put it on. Oh, look at that. Look how beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with Game Over and make a V shape. So what I noticed is that the shimmer does not come on the brush for some reason. Like, the color will come, but not the shimmer. Other than that, it's a really pretty palette, and I'm so excited to use the other colors. So I would give it like a 9 out of 10 just because like the shimmers weren't working as well as I wanted them to. But I do love the formula of this. I think the colors are really nice. And stay tuned for this look. So now, Fuego Highlight. I didn't get the other one, Chasing the Sun, because it's deeper complexion based and it looks really pretty on them, but I had to go with the OG Fuego, so I am wearing it. It's a really pretty highlight. It's like a nice gold highlight. It's one of my favorites. I am going to restock on it when like the holidays come around, just because I know I need another one, and right now I think it's sold out on their website, so probably gonna have to go to Ulta to pick it up. I'm gonna use Fuego Highlight and dig right in. I love using it right after setting spray because it gives you that nice glow. The lipsticks, I know a lot of people are not a fan of nude or neutral lipsticks, but I love them. These are my colors. I have so many of them. So if you're going to give me nudes, I'm going to take them all. So this one is a Mauve Story, which I feel like is the perfect lip color that I already have. And it's so comfortable. Like, it feels like you're wearing nothing. Like, it's a satin lip, so it's amazing. And then the other two colors are like more peachy toned, but I love the formula of the lipsticks and I love the colors. So overall, I love this collection. It's so pretty. I love how it looks. I love how it came together. So if you guys enjoyed my short and sweet review, make sure to subscribe because I do a lot of makeup reviews. I buy too much makeup. And if you're interested in how I got this look, make sure to head over to my channel and then look at how I came up with this. So I am going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away the Most Gloss, their new lip gloss, and Sauvage, their old lipstick from their previous collection. So if you're interested in the giveaway, check the description so that you can see what I'm talking about. So thank you guys so much for watching.